If you're getting the message that your iCloud storage is full, or you just wanted to be able to transfer all of those photos and videos from your iCloud and put them back on your iPhone, maybe you don't want them to be stored on your iCloud, I'm going to show you exactly what that does and two different options to be able to do exactly that. So you might be getting this message: iCloud storage is full, photos and videos are no longer updating, and it asks you to just pay more money to Apple. However, you have two options. The first option is to head into a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome and type in iCloud.com and hit go. You can sign in and manage all the photos that are on iCloud through iCloud.com. So just tap on sign in, and then on here you're going to use your Face ID or just enter in the passcode. Let me try that one more time. And just like that, it'll allow you to sign in. From here, you'll be able to see your Apple ID account. Just tap on Photos here, and you'll be able to see all of the photos that are on your account. If you wanted to, you can manage the iCloud photos within here, but you can also manage them in the settings. I'm going to show you those two options. The first thing is you can tap on Select at the top right. And if you wanted to download some of these, you can select multiple different photos and then tap on those three dots right next to the trash can and tap on download, in my case, to items. You'll be able to see it will download it into a zipped file. I can tap download, and that will pop into the Files app of your iPhone. So if you exit out of there and swipe down, just type in Files, tap on the Files app, and then you can tap on Browse at the bottom right, tap on My iPhone, and then Downloads. Here is that zipped file. I can just tap on it once and then tap on the folder, and there are those files or photos that I downloaded. This is one option to be able to download those, but if you have thousands or you wanted to do this across all of iCloud, it can get pretty tedious. There's an easier way to be able to do it across all of your photos. This is the best way if you just wanted to do a couple. Let me show you the way to do it across all of them. Tap on the Settings app of your iPhone, and then tap on your name at the top. From here, scroll down and tap on iCloud midway down. And then next to Save to iCloud, tap on See All, and then tap on iCloud Photos. You can see here it says manage storage 74 gigabytes. So keep in mind, you do need enough space on your iPhone to be able to download all of these. But if you do, all you need to do is switch this to download and keep originals. You'll be able to see it says this iPhone is currently storing original photos. Essentially, this means it will download the full uncompressed high resolution photos and videos onto your iPhone from the iCloud. So essentially, you have a mirror of everything on iPhone and iCloud storage. However, next, if you wanted to delete it from the iCloud to free up space, all you need to do is toggle off Sync This iPhone. After you've done that, you can see it says iPhone was not able to download all of those photos and videos, so you want to make sure you give it enough time to download everything onto your iPhone first, and then just turn off Sync This iPhone, and essentially it will delete them all from the iCloud, but keep them all physically stored in the storage of your iPhone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.